Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a text padding for your text boxes on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to a diagram on Lucidchart, select the text box, like that one here for instance. I will go with this one. And what you want to do next, guys, is double click into the text box and highlight the text. Next, navigate to this button in the top left, text options. And from that menu, choose the text padding feature, which is this one here. It will be set to 5px on default, but you can customize that, of course, and yeah, change it. For example, if you resize the text box, you will see the effect here. So like this, if I set a text padding of 0px, it will look like this. But if I enter, for instance, I don't know, a text padding of 40, will look like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.